Hi, my name is Jiro. Nice to meet you. I'm starting to doubt whether what I'm doing is right. It took me a whole day to create a 50 minutes video. At first, it took me an hour just to edit a 3 minutes video, but still, I feel like this is the best I can do and I should keep going. My development speed is quite slow. I reconsidered whether maintaining a 5-5 balance between video production and development is the right approach. But I think I have to keep doing it. As an indie developer, there doesn't seem to be another path. I'm not even sure what I was hoping for in the beginning. I guess I thought that if I posted a few times on Reddit and kept tweeting, word of mouth would spread and my app would gradually gain traction. But that never happens. There are a few users who give me valuable feedback and show interest in my app, and I'm truly grateful to them. I'd love to accommodate all of their requests, but due to my own limitations and the current structure of the app, some features are difficult to implement. However, I'm doing my best to incorporate as many of their requests as possible. Features like domain feature, custom quotes, set in stone option, show memo in task UI option, task recommendation, and an option to enlarge quote text were all developed based on user feedback. However, now that it's been a month since the app launched, my total revenue is only $28. This isn't sustainable income. It was just a temporary spike in traffic when one of my Reddit posts got a lot of views. Moreover, I can't keep posting on Reddit frequently. It's a platform for communities, not for promotion. Even if video production significantly slowed down development, I believe maintaining a 5-5 balance is the right approach. I've seen countless indie developer services on Reddit. I could feel the effort they put in, yet no one notices them. Promotion is just as important as development. I see the weight of importance as 5-5, and I believe it's right to allocate my time accordingly. If SixFocus gains popularity and generates $6,000 in monthly revenue, I plan to start my next project with a 5-5 balance between development and self-branding right from the idea conception stage. To achieve this, I need to add appealing features to SixFocus and introduce a subscription plan. As of now, there is no subscription model. Of course, free users can access all of SixFocus's core features. However, I plan to apply a subscription model selectively for features that requires external paid API. I'm afraid of how long it will take to implement this. Ideally, I'd like to finish it within 3 months. I'm not sure if there's a smarter way, but I can't think of one right now. Today I'd like to talk about the on-device AI used in the task recommendation feature, which I recently added. Since on-device AI doesn't rely on external paid APIs, users can use it for free without any limitations. I initially worried that the on-device AI feature might be so good that people wouldn't feel the need to purchase a subscription. However, the on-device AI turned out to be quite limited due to model size constraints and the performance limitation of user devices. Still, it was sufficient for a simple task recommendation feature and could potentially be used for basic analysis functions as well. First, I will give you a brief explanation of on-device AI models. LLM like ChatGPT are extremely large and cannot fit on your iPhone. Therefore, a highly lightweight LLM that can run on an iPhone must be used. An LLM essentially takes text as input and output embedding values. There are bundles of numbers. Batch size refers to how many texts are processed at once. Token count generally increases as the words or sentences within a single text get longer. Ultimately, each token is assigned a set of numbers corresponding to the embedding dimension size. DistilBERT and TinyBERT are lightweight LLMs that can be used on device. Initially, DistilBERT was considered, but it took about 1 minute to process around 600 tests. This is not a feasible wait time for users after pressing a button. So I decided to use TinyBERT, which is smaller in size than DistilBERT. Even with TinyBERT, processing around 600 tests takes approximately 9 seconds. This is still not an acceptable wait time for users. So I sorted the 600 recently generated tests by frequency and decided to input only the top 100 into the LLM. As a result, the processing time was reduced to just 1.5 seconds. By converting the LLM model into a core ML file, it can be used on an iOS device. Previously, the app size was 12 megabyte, but after including the LLM models, it is now 42 megabyte. It seems that the model size was further reduced during the conversion and build process. Cosine similarity was used for AI recommendation implementation. The cosine similarity calculation is not processed by the LLM, but is simply a mathematical computation. Simply put, it is like calculating how close points A and B are on a map. Here, the higher the cosine similarity value, the closer the 2 points are. For example, if there are 2 texts, mother and dinner, when you input father, mother appears first. When you input breakfast, dinner appears first. I'm going to show you how this feature works. Father. Sorry, there is no mother. Mother and dinner. Okay, again. Father. Hey, you can see mother here and breakfast. You can see dinner here. And eat dinner, lunch with Sarah. I want to show you guys the initial app design too. App UI design. This started last year, September. Day sheet here. Week sheet. Month sheet. This today menu. This is sign in view now. It doesn't exist now. When I finish making features for subscription, I will add this login feature again. Thank you for listening. I'm going to night shift logistic work tomorrow. Today. It's really hard. I'm trying to find math teaching job now. From Monday to Friday, I think I will work for 8 hours and I have to prepare lecture. I think it will take around 3 hours too. SixFocus don't make any money now, so I have to find a job. I'm so worried about how much I can work for SixFocus, but I will keep working. Maybe I will work on Sunday too. Sunday is usually day off to me, but I will really don't have time for SixFocus, so I should work on Sunday too. And thank you for listening, and see you on next video soon. Bye.